Hey guys, welcome back. So today's recipe is gonna be about veggies and eggs. So I'm making veggie egg cupcakes or veggie egg muffins, whatever you call. Okay, so for this I'm going to chop my veggies. I'm taking onions, carrots and capsicum and tomatoes. Chop all the veggies as fine as you can. I'll be chopping my veggies. In a meanwhile, you guys heat up a pan and add a tiny bit of oil. I'm still chopping my veggies. So yeah, measurements. So I've taken a medium-sized onion, one full carrot, half a capsicum and two small tomatoes. Anyway, I'll be listing them in the description box. So once you chop all your veggies and your pan is ready, your oil is ready, they're well heated. And now I'm going to add onions, carrots and capsicum to the pan, and I'll saute them for a while, like 5 minutes should be good. Saute them for like 2 minutes first. And then I'm going to add the spices, the simple spices, the salt, turmeric and pepper. These are just only for veggies. I'm going to add the same salt, turmeric, pepper and chili powder for the eggs as well. So see to that you add the right amount. Now saute them until there's no moisture in the veggies. See, now the veggies are completely dry, and now you can switch off the flame and let them cool a bit. After the veggies are done, I'm going to take a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of water, add salt, turmeric powder, pepper and red chili powder as well for the extra spice. Why we are adding spices to the water is that when you add the spices directly to the eggs, you can still find those little chunks of the spices that is not mixed up well. So that's why we are adding water. By this time I have already whisked my eggs and added my tomatoes. I'm mixing it well. Now it's time for the veggies. I'm going to add the sauteed veggies to this egg mixture. Mix it well. Now I'm going to take my muffin pan, muffin tin or muffin tray, whatever you call it, and I'm going to spray it with the cooking oil spray, or you can just grease it with the oil. Now I'll be filling these molds with the egg mixture. I'm going to fill them completely because once they are done, they'll shrink in their size. So yeah, you also make sure that you fill them completely. Now I'll bake them in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, they look like this. Since we have very well greased the pan, they will come out easily of the molds. Now you can serve them. This makes a very good breakfast option or can be served as a snack as well. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you.